Angelina hit the red carpet for her film, Eternals, on October 18, and in the process, potentially exposed her children to COVID-19. From their messy divorce to their complicated custody battle, Brad Pitt, 57, and Angelina Jolie, 46, can't seem to see eye to eye. And now, the actress may have unknowingly exposed their children to COVID-19. But even though we've learned that the Fight Club actor is concerned about the kids, we're also hearing that he's not blaming his ex for the potential incident. On Monday, October 18, the Maleficent actress took 5 of their children, Maddox, 20, Zahara, 16, Pax, 17, Shiloh, 15, Vivienne, 13, and Knox, 13, to the Los Angeles premiere of her latest film, Eternals. It was a celebratory evening, at least, it was supposed to be, until it was later revealed that there was a possible exposure to COVID-19 at the star-studded event. Those working the carpet for the premiere had to provide proof of vaccination and take a rapid COVID test on site. Plus, the general audience members had to provide proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test within the past 48 hours, but it may not have been enough. Still, Brad doesn't blame Angelina for the possible exposure, which was reported by Variety. Related gallery. Angelina Jolie vs. Brad Pitt with their kids, pics. Brad may have his issues with Angie, but he in no way would have a reason to think that she would actively put her kids in harm. Though herself, the Eternals cast, and maybe even their kids were exposed to COVID, that is just the world we live in, and these things are going to happen, a source tells Hollywood Life exclusively. Brad realizes his kids don't live in a bubble, and these things are going to happen. Brad knows that Angie is fiercely protective over the kids, as is he, and that she would do everything in her power to keep them safe throughout the pandemic, a second source confirms. Hollywood Life reached out to Angelina and Brad's reps for comment, but we didn't receive immediate responses. While it's undetermined if Angelina and children have tested positive for COVID since the event, one thing is for certain, Angelina has the kids' best interests in mind. Brad just hopes that of course no one has it, and hopes they are doing everything to isolate and take care of it in all the proper ways needed. He would never put that on her as a means of contention, as Brad is not a jerk, our source said.